and you refuse to believe that that exists, that spirit that way exists in you, and that you were created with that, if you refuse to believe that because of any religion, then that religion is wrong. If they teach you that no, you're not allowed to have living light in you, no, the cross is not in you, then that is a religion that is formed for one purpose and one purpose only, and that is to control you and control your spirit. And whatever name of religion you put on, it doesn't matter. If it controls you and they do not teach you things like what I'm talking about today, then that is a religion of control, and you will never develop, if you refuse to go out of those guidelines of that religion, you will never realize what's in you. That's kind of what it even says in the Bible. You hear me talk, but you don't get it. So that's the harmonics. That's what it's all about. That's the sound of light. We all have it. Now, I'm going to go through an example. We got somewhere about 15 minutes, 10 minutes somewhere in the show. Now, I'm going to show you how the harmonics works in the next 5 to 10 minutes. There are people that are listening, and even on the archives, you've got problems. Okay, I don't know what they are. Some of you have physical problems. Some of you have mental problems. Well, first of all, you should be speaking the opposite. If you have a physical problem, you can't walk because your leg is broken, start speaking about how your leg is whole. Let your nervous system and the harmonics out of your mouth that you can't hear, let them out. And that's what I'm going to do right now. This is not any hokey-pokey, send in $100 and I'll go lay my hands on a piece of cloth type of garbage. This is reality. So if you have a physical problem right now, or you have a mental problem, or you've got a problem with something in the world that's coming against you, and you just can't seem to beat it, good, let's go talk some truth into it, and let's call those things that are physically not now as though they were. If you physically don't have a whole bone and it's broken, then let's call a whole bone into existence. And I'm going to do that right now. So anybody who's listening, whatever it is, even if it's something mentally, you're having a problem overcoming something, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Even if you're half deaf in one ear and you got the volume cranked up so much everybody else left the room because the volume's too high. I am going to speak life harmonics. I've been speaking them the whole show. I spoke them yesterday. But now I'm going to do it because you're aware of it, and it's going to change your situation. I am going to call that which physically is not as though it was. And that's because that's living light in me. Now, you've got the same thing as well. So within you, your living light, your creation part, your spirit part will recognize the harmonics I'm about to speak. It doesn't mean that audibly you're going to recognize it, but your spirit creation part sure as heck will. And this is how you call things that are not as though they were. Oh, this isn't hokey pokey, because a bunch of you are really going to find out what happens in the next 2 minutes. Send me an email, let me know, or make a comment on the chat room. But I know it's already happening. It's already started. I haven't even finished. Yeah, you want to call it healing? Whatever kind of healing you need, whether it's trying to deal with a difficult situation, or even if you need a physical healing of some type. I don't have to lay hands on you. The harmonics are there in your body. Through those harmonics, through the living light that's in you, we'll pick up on it. So I'm going to speak it right now. Whatever you need to realize that spirit is within you, that harmonics of life can come from me to you just by me speaking. Whatever you need in your life, that you need a positive change, I speak that change into you right now. You might not see it this second. You might not see it in a minute from now. You might not even realize it till a week from now. But I'm speaking healing for your life because you're not supposed to be sick. You're not supposed to have problems. You can overcome the world. And even if I'm just speaking encouragement for you to overcome what you're facing right now, of which I am, I speak that encouragement. Now, your living light perceive those harmonics. Don't go by your five senses. Don't go by your audible hearing, what you can see with your physical eyes. You're never going to get anywhere staying right there. Yes, that's the world. But you have to understand, my speaking now just changed things around you and within you. And your spirit picked it up. Some of you might have physical signs to prove that that just happened in your spirit within you. And some won't. Just don't stop believing. And now, keep speaking positive of whatever it was that you needed out of your heart. If you were thinking, oh, gee, I'd like to be rich, well, that doesn't work that way because that's a worldly thing. But if you were facing anything, whether it's physical, mental, the harmonics were there, and your body received it, and your spirit received it. And that's just how simple living light is. And if this was just for one person, it took place, it happened. But I got a feeling it was for a lot more than one. That's how the life cross is. And you've got the life cross. I've got it. You've got it. We all have life cross. That center point between the physical and the spirit. That is the center of the cross, and that's light. And it's life. And the harmonics are there for you to perceive the life cross within you. Also to perceive when somebody else is speaking life into you. Because a bunch of you just figured out something. You now have a physical problem that's not there. And in fact, I need to do one thing. Robert, I'm speaking wholeness into your leg right now, and it doesn't matter what the physical signs are. I'm speaking it there through Living Light. You're going to have to get the archive if you're not listening, friend. Right now, receive it. That's all you got to do, and your healing will come very, very quickly. And Robert, when it happens, send me an email. Okay? Is that a deal? Look, I know that I've been exposed to it probably more than most. Yeah, there are a lot of fakers out there. They want to turn around and get money because they're going to have a fake healing something or whatever. Yeah, that's religion, people. And that's for the sake of religion, and they know some of the keys, and so they take it to fleece people out of money. Well, that's worldly. But, they found out they can use religion to fleece people out of money. There are genuine people who can speak to others and even touch them out of love and out of compassion, where those people that they're speaking to or that have been physically touched by them, that they have healing come about and miracles come about. I learned this in Africa, and that's why there's a whole deaf school there that made the front page of the Sunday paper, because they all of a sudden started hearing. So I know it. And I want you to accept what I know. I want you to accept it now. It doesn't matter what you're facing. There is nothing that living light cannot overcome. There is nothing that the cross, the life cross in you, cannot overcome. The harmonics were spoken, and you received them. And that's all there is to it. And it really is that easy. You don't have to go through any kind of program or any steps. It's just that easy. If you had a broken heart, you're going to get a healed heart. I keep saying at the end of every show, and I hope you're really understanding it now. Love one another. And always be who you were created to be. Are you catching on to that now? Be who you were created to be. Today is a big part of that. Today's program, big part of who you were created to be. Open up. Let that life cross be the center between your physical and your spirit realm. And it's the living light right there. Tomorrow, catch us again. Be who you were created to be and love one another. I'll see you tomorrow.